We have had discussions about a new interdisciplinary course focusing on high-value crops. And we have intentionally selected 3 iconic crops, including olive oil, the olive tree, coffee, and wine. The notion of value is very important because out of that total high value that is realized, it's only a fraction that is actually attributed to people and communities who cultivate and harvest these crops. The current state of affairs, including extreme weather events and the effects of climate change, in that areas and regions that traditionally have been optimal for some of these crops, now they're becoming very challenging. There have been some publications indicating that by 2030 or by 2040, about 50% of the available land that has been available for coffee production will not become anymore an optimal region for coffee growing. We're witnessing now on campuses across the nation where students are coming for class perhaps, but they are not interacting. So this particular class, because they have to go through the sensory experience, tasting the different products, they have to score and catalog and classify the different species and the different attributes. So part of this is a conversation that we have in every class, and it's really very refreshing to see them interacting this way and forgetting about their phones for once. Interest in this particular course has been increasing steadily. Enrollment actually doubled since last semester, and we do have, for the first time, students practically from almost every discipline, including the arts and psychology and economics, of course, that is part of the class. I think what students can learn almost as a life skill from this course is to be able to identify established protocols for assessment and then apply them so they can arrive to some scientifically sound results using their own senses and the resources that they can identify independently.